Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export your videos into 4K quality, the highest possible quality of 4K that you can get from the Capcut application here. So what you want to do, guys, I'm going to drag this video onto my timeline here, and let's say I finish editing my video. This is my video and I finish all my editing. What you want to do, you want to click the export button on the uppermost right hand side, and from the resolution option here you will see the option that says 4K. Now you want to go ahead and ensure that if it's saying 1080p, you want to switch this to 4K, right? You also have 2K, of course, but select the 4K. However, for the bitrate, as you can see, it is currently under recommended. I normally use the recommended, but if you want the highest possibly quality of 4K, you want to go ahead and change this from recommended to higher. And as you can see here, before I switch this to higher, you can see the size before that it was showing 30. So if I go back to recommended, you can see it's showing 30 megabyte size. And if you switch this to higher, it basically changes to about 4 megabytes more, so 34 megabytes there. But this is how you can easily go ahead and export videos in 4K using CapCut and get the highest possible quality of video from the CapCut application. So once you do that, just simply go ahead and click on export, and as you can see, my video is going to export. And once the video is finished export, you can go ahead and you can watch the video from here from the preview, or you can simply go ahead and find that video within your PC. As you can see here, I'm going to play my video that I've currently exported, and I now have my video within the 4K resolution. And that's how you can easily go ahead and export videos in CapCut with the highest possible 4K quality. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.